All right, this is a movement fix for a common fault we see in the front rack position, which is the elbows drop down and in as the weight starts to get heavy. So we've all heard the cue and tried to implement the elbows up fix to try to keep the bar from tumbling down in front of us. The problem is that the fault is not that the elbows are getting too low, it's that the back of the shoulder is losing its ability to create stability and create torque to keep the elbows up and to keep the barbell in a stable position. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this band to help cue us to engage the muscles in the back of the shoulder and keep a stable front rack position. So I'm going to have the band around my upper arms, and when I get into my front rack position, the band wants to pull me into these elbows in position. If I keep that tension on the band, I'm essentially engaging the muscles of the back of the shoulder, keeping my front rack position, so that as I descend into the bottom of my squat, even if it gets heavy, if I get that cue to push the elbows out, I've got my stable front rack position. So through the entire motion, I want to keep constant tension on the band, pushing my arms out and away from each other to engage the back of the shoulder.